Alright, so I'm about to do that pickle Koolaid.
Why?
Got them right there. Got them Hawaiian punch. Come with 8 in there. Probably put 6. Maybe put all 8 on. So I'm gonna pour that juice in that little container right here. Make sure they don't spill out and pack it. Alright, stir it up. Stir that pickle juice. Then I'm gonna pour it right back in there. Put 8 packs in there. Oh. Gotta get all of it. Gotta get all of it. Like that, and let it sit. Alright, so they sit for about 5-6 hours. Yes, sir. Crack them open. That's what they look like. And then I'm marinate all in there. Ooh-wee! Well, she is right. Yes, Lord.
But I'm your Uncle Aaron.
All right, here go the taste test. Oh my God. Look. This is my first time trying the Koolaid pickle. Why did I have this when I was growing up? That's 10 out of 10. Must try again.